What's up, guys? I'm giving away a pair of the White Cement Reimagined Air Jordan 3s. To enter this free giveaway, all you guys need to do is hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, and leave a comment. Let me know your size in the White Cement 3s. Make sure you guys DM me proof over on Instagram, DannyMoore2369. Send me proof that you guys subscribed to my YouTube channel. Take a picture, take a screenshot, send me that proof on Instagram. Good luck. This giveaway ends at the end of March. So make sure you guys get your giveaway entries in for a free pair of the White Cement Jordan 3s. Here's the giveaway winner of the Travis Scott Black Phantom. Shout out to you. Thank you so much for the love and support. This giveaway winner won the Travis Scott Black Phantoms. Now it's time for the new giveaway for the White Cement 3s. Make sure you guys get your giveaway entries in. Good luck. Sneakerhead, Sole Premise makes the best sneaker bags on earth. These backpacks hold your sneakers safely and securely when you're traveling. You have actual compartments to store your sneakers. You actually have room for your clothes, your laptop, your chargers as well. Make sure you guys click my link down below in the description. Check out Sole Premise and make sure you guys use my promo code Danny Moore at checkout. My name, Danny Moore, will give you 40% off your entire order from the best sneaker bags on earth. Make sure you guys check out Sole Premise. Thank you, Sole Premise, for sponsoring this fire video. Maniere is back with some more Jordans. This time, we got two pairs of Air Jordan 12s. And in this video, we have got to talk about what has happened to the price of these Air Jordan 12s, especially the black pair. Both pairs have really tanked in price. The white pair dropped today. The black pair dropped last week. I was able to hit on the Maniere raffle as well as on their website. So here they are. We got the box right here. Very, very dope. We do have the cover that Maniere is doing on all the collabs. I'm here for it. This one is a little bit darker, a little bit different. Nice to see. And we have an old school Jordan box with Maniere logos as well. Very nice to see. This is a woman's release, which definitely hurt resale. We'll talk about that. That definitely hurt the market. But right here, we have a size 12W, 10.5 men. And right here, we have the box. Inside the box, of course, you have a nice dope print that Maniere does in all the packaging with the Maniere logo. Very, very nice. Very, very sick. Let's take a look. We do have the white tissue paper, and we have the shoe. This is my first time seeing these in person, and here they are, the Air Jordan 12 Maniere in the black and burgundy crush colorway. This one is interesting. I think people are more leaning towards the white pair, but the black pair, quality, I must say, on the suede here is nice. They did a nice job with the burgundy crush on the suede. Very, very nice suede, though, on the upper. And then the black nubuck here on the upper. Very, very dope as well. The bottom does stand out. You do have a white bottom there. White Jumpman and the carbon fiber. So they do have nice details. You do have a Jumpman on the tongue of the right shoe, and on the left shoe, you have the Maniere logo there on the tongue. The sock liner, quilted, once again, something that Maniere does. I want to know your guys' thoughts on the burgundy colorway that Maniere keeps doing. Is it getting played out? Are you tired of it? They seem to keep doing the same colorway, color scheme on every model that they've touched so far. I'm here for it. I think it's a nice shoe. Quality is nice. You do have some nice waxed laces here as well. You also have a hang tag attached to the shoe. Very, very nice. The Maniere hang tag. On the lace loops there, you do have the Maniere and Jumpman logos. Very, very nice, and it's like that on both sides on all the pairs. That's very, very dope. On the back, you have Jordan on one, and you have the Maniere branding on the other. That's very nice to see as well. I think they killed it on this collaboration here on the Jordan 12. I think it's a nice shoe. I want you guys to leave a comment down below and pick one, the white or the black. What is going on? What is happening with the price of the Air Jordan 12 Maniere in the black colorway? And then we'll talk about the white. The black colorway here. Some pairs are already under retail, some sizes, which is crazy. Retail was $225, so retail was pretty high. It is a Jordan 12. The hype, the demand for Jordan 12s is not really there when it comes to resale, so I did figure it would drop. We did see early pairs at around $350, drop down to $300, and now, like I said, they're going for damn near retail. It is a good retail pickup, clean, very nice wearable colorway, quality is very nice, and it is a collaboration with Maniere. It's a good shoe overall, but resale has tanked. Them being a women's release certainly did not help. Bigger sizes went fast, but still, resale is not there. It also seems like Maniere made a lot of pairs. Now, they did have a lot of the stock, most of the stock, but other boutiques also got this release as well as the white pair. The white pair seemed like it had more hype. It seemed like more people wanted the white pair, but resale also very similar. It is going right now on release day for a little bit of money, but that's gonna drop when people get their pairs in. They're gonna drop and be very similar to the black pair. We might see the white pair be a few dollars more, give or take, compared to the black pair, but overall, both pairs are just going to drop. Resale is simply not there for the Air Jordan 12 Maniere. A few reasons. It is a Jordan 12. It is a women's release, which certainly did not help when it comes to being a Jordan 12, as well as the colorway. Possibly, are people tired of this burgundy colorway that Maniere continues to use? Let me know your thoughts down below in the comments. And while you're down there, let me know your thoughts on why you think prices certainly have dipped on the Maniere Air Jordan 12. And please, let me know, pick one, the white pair or the black pair. The Air Jordan 12 Manieres have certainly tanked in price. If you want them, it's a good shoe. Buy them while you can. Resale is simply not high on this collaboration. I'm giving away a pair of white cement 3s. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe, leave a comment, let me know your size, and DM me your proof on Instagram, DannyMoore2369. Congrats once again to the giveaway winner for the Travis Scott Black Phantoms. I love giving back to you guys. You guys love and support me. You guys watch my videos. You guys allow me to do YouTube and do everything full time. So it's only right that each and every month that I give back to the Moore family and do a free sneaker giveaway. Please watch out for scammers. There are scammers out there pretending to be me, so please watch out for that. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the Moore family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.